Hi, I'm Rachel Bevan from Rachel's Essentials, and today we're making a dry shampoo recipe. Now I'm going to be showing you the extras that you can add for darker hair, because I have darker hair, but then I'm also going to be explaining those lighter hair alterations that you can make to this recipe. So the first thing you're going to need is a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now if you do a lot of DIY recipes, you're going to have cornstarch in hand. If not, it's going to be one of those weird things that you need to buy. Cornstarch is really good for bath bombs. So if you do get it on hand, just know you can make your own bath bombs. So we're going to put that in. And then next up is going to be a tablespoon of baking soda. So this kind of helps soak up any odors you may have in your hair, anything like that. Cornstarch is good for soaking up any kind of liquid in your hair, like oils or anything like that. All right, afterwards you're going to be doing drops of cedarwood and tea tree. If you don't have these oils, don't fret. You can always just add more lavender. Lavender is one of those go-to oils. And so then I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now, if you have lighter hair, you don't need to add this step. And I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon. The recipe calls for 2, but I'm just going to do 1. And so then after you get it all mixed together, all the way through, then in order to apply it, what you're going to do is I'm going to take an old makeup brush. And you're just going to dab it in there, get a little bit on your brush, and then you can just kind of dab it in wherever you're going to have some of your oily hair. You leave it in for about 2 minutes, and you're going to take a brush and just kind of comb it through, and then you won't be able to see any of that powder in your hair. So I hope it works for you.